Hi team,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you all?
Fine.
Fine.
Yeah, actually I was just wondering how to take my lesson. It's about gravity, and in English literature I was just trying to relate it with my students in such a way where they will find very easy to understand it. So I have one plan. Shall I share it to you?
Sure.
And if
Before
you have,
sharing,
yeah.
when you say gravity, I think about this aha moment of Newton. Huh?
Yeah.
So when Newton was sitting below an apple tree, that fell down on his head, right?
Yeah,
That was an
correct.
aha moment.
Yeah.
That spark in his mind came. Why it fell down just in a straight way, instead of veering off in the side, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
This way also I can give one example to make them understand proper way, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Are you also agree with this?
Yes.
Yeah, apart from that also I have one idea. With one example like we all are adventurous feeling. We are going out to get adventurous like roller coaster. We all went to Wonderla, right?
Yes.
And there we had this opportunity to get the adventurous entertainment. Like our students also do the same. Okay, they might have this experience roster, roller coaster. And what they do when it go on the hill and that comes down during that time, they feel very tight when they are coming down.
Yes.
It is also a very
Yeah,
nice
really.
example
Yeah,
of
yeah.
gravity. Am I right?
For
And-
my social, I can relate this with human behavior.
Okay.
So, if a person is in a normal state, he will be in a current state, right?
Sure.
But until when he is influenced by some other external factors, the external factors could be a cultural or a technological advancement, whatever we can take it. Yeah, am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
And
ma'am.
you are a physics expert, right? You also suggest some to us how
So
we
always
can
have a question like, what is gravity? Why gravity? How the gravity is possible in Earth? Is that possible in space? So always have different questions regarding gravity. So before speaking about gravity, let's start with what is gravity. So I am attracted towards this disc. This disc is attracted towards the ground. The ground is attracted towards the earth. So gravity is nothing but attraction of all objects towards the earth. For example, let us take a pencil. Let us throw the pencil upwards. So when you throw the pencil upwards, it comes down due to gravity. So gravity always acts in the downward direction. So gravity is nothing but it is attraction of all objects towards the earth. For example, I am taking a video, that is we all take a video, that is case study video, we are putting in the YouTube channel. So our video is attracted towards the audience. Audience are attracted towards the phone, mobile phone. Mobile phone is attracted towards the hand. Hand is attracted towards the body. Body is attracted towards the ground. Ground is attracted towards the earth.
So
this
you
is
are
the
going to
concept
tell
of-
each and every point on the earth is attracted towards some force, right?
Yes.
Correct. It's a really nice example. And we can throw anything on the off and it will immediately come down. And this example known by everyone. And with this also, this concept can be clarified for our children.
Yes.
Nice idea. Any
Yeah,
other
you
idea
can
also we
integrate
can,
with all the subjects and you
Yeah.
can make a good lesson plan for the children's and a fun activity also you can include in that.
Literature not just like only
Yeah.
fun. We can relate it with science. We can relate it with art also, right? Yeah, very nicely will.
And some students might have a question like, without gravity, what will happen to the objects?
Yeah.
So what will be the answer from our side?
Can you
Without
suggest
gravity, what will be the answers? The object will be just floating in
Just
space.
floating,
Yeah.
yeah.
We can just float. So without gravity, we cannot stand in one place. We'll be just
So
floating.
what happens in the moon?
So what happens?
Yeah,
Gravity
actually,
is not there. So we are about to float
yeah,
there, right?
here,
So all our scientists are only floating there.
floating there.
So that would be the
Yeah, because
Conclusion.
already many
Yeah.
people, few people already visited moon, and there also they find that instead of in Earth the gravity is
Yes.
more, and in moon it
Gravity
is
is less.
But gravity is
Is
there
there.
because things are falling down, but it is very slow,
Yeah.
as it is proved here.
Yes.
But in Earth, it is too much.
Yeah.
So we are very lucky.
Yes.
So,
So mathematically, we can conclude that the acceleration due to gravity of Earth is 9.8 meter per second square, whereas the Moon it is 1.16 only.
oh,
Yeah.
So compared to Earth, the gravity
Gravity
is
is
less
less.
in Moon. So we can conclude like that. And also we can treat Earth as a magnet.
yeah.
So when you treat Earth as a magnet, all the objects are attracted towards the Earth.
Earth.
So obviously true, right? So gravity is not only possible in Earth, it is also possible in space. So let us consider all the planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, all the planets. So all the planets are revolving around the solar system, that is Sun. So all the planets are moving in a circular orbit, which makes the planet have some mutual force that is called as gravitational force. So Earth is also having gravitational force, and all the planets are also having gravitational
In
force.
the way of social studies, if we see, the earth is rolling, right?
Yeah.
So the things are on the earth. So thus oceans are also there. Why the ocean is not falling down? The water is not falling down due to gravity.
Due to gravity, yeah, exactly. And in literature also we can relate the same thing.
Yeah.
And they also know when we are doing something, where whatever it is, due to gravity only, it is falling down, right?
Yes.
So
That's a
gravity is
real
nothing but it is a fascinating topic.
Yeah.
See the
Hope-
time.
hope-
See the time.